Alright, some fellas want a video taking the brass, melting it down. So you know what? We're making a video. And make sure that's all tight. That's all tight. That is good. Turn the propane on. We need to stick some paper in there. Something like that. Get the paper going. Bang. And oop. Damn. Jack that up. I really don't like sticking my freaking hand in there. In case it ignites again, you know? Come on. There we go. That'll warm up for a little bit, and then take the lid off and dump a bunch of this in there. We're gonna need more than that. I got some in here. It's just been chilling. That's it. Some of it's still wet from when I cleaned it a couple weeks ago, which is kind of annoying, but that's okay. Yeah, there's nothing I can do. I gotta wait for this to heat up. So, all right, I may have completely forgotten about the whole microphone thing, or not microphone thing, but I forgot about the video. So I already dumped some brass in there and mixed in a bunch of borax. So it kind of just needs to melt. I don't know if you can see the flame. Okay. We need to add more. So like, let's turn it down real low. Let's pop that lid off. It's gonna catch this box on fire, isn't it? See, this is the part that I didn't think through. The box is chilling. Oh, yeah, the box is chilling. That's not chilling. Whatever the fuck that was. This freaking thing's changing colors. I was trying to use it as a way to kind of block shit from flying at me, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of what I'm doing here. Because we had that large pop and bang. It's not full tilt, right? Like, that's the wrong way. I'm gonna go full tilt. That's full tilt. Imagine if I bumped that into the bucket, melted a hole, and then it just flooded the area right here. That shit's melting, but it's not molten. I think. Should we pour more in like this? Oh, it's melting pretty good. How can I do this? Bad box, bad box. That totally missed. Okay, so we're almost at that point here. We're gonna need to warm this sucker up. I'm really curious if I can fill that. I'd probably have to keep going with this, which is like, I almost grabbed that with my hand. I just start popping them like this, just start grabbing what I can. And oh, 3-bomb. Bang. It'll melt faster this way, right? Excuse me. Oh, that's still warm. It's not hot, but it's still freaking warm. That spooked me. Okay. I think this is nice and toasty. How do we want it? We want it like that. We want it like this. Okay, I think what I can do now is turn this off, and it's gonna smoke like a mother trucker. Oh, damn it. It's one way of doing it. Okay, and then you come over here. Oh, that's so freaking hot. Yeah, we're not gonna scoop any of the slag out. We're gonna hope that this turns out all right. We're gonna lift this out. Glowing red crucible. Molten. That is so freaking hot. And I'm my legs are on fucking fire. We're gonna take the crucible, put it back in here. Let's take this. That is, you have no idea how hot that is right now. Oh my God. Why does that look black and watery up there? I think these need to just sit. You see what I'm saying? What is all that? It's a fucking 100-ouncer, dude. That is a 100-ounce bar, baby. 100-ounce bar, baby. Yeah, that's not good. Dude, this looks like a gold bar. I think this mold is shot. There it is. It's a damn gold bar. This is still really hot in there. Ooh, that's really hot. The handle is freaking, that burned me. Do we run more of this? Is this too hot to grab? No. Oh my God, the heat coming off of that is absolutely mind-boggling. I figure we're here. Let's finish it. What was that yellow? You fucking fucker, dude. It's one of the primers. I think we're at that point again. So, this is the part that it's fun, but like, it's so freaking hot. Okay, let's do this fast. Put it on the ground. Grab the other Humajiggy. Put it in the thingamabob. Go like this. Come out with it. Let's pour her in there. Get a nice little 100-ouncer. Yeah. Okay. I'll take that. And now, I think we're done with brass. Okay. We've got a little bit of copper here. I've got about this much, like this much stuffed in there right now that's melting. She's melting pretty good. I forgot I had a second one of these. So I think we're gonna try and pour into here. I have a coin, but the coins don't mold properly. That's the only issue that I have. So we're doing some copper. This is about all the copper that I have with me right now, which is not a lot. So we might get a really thin copper bar there, which I'm okay with that. That's fine. I just want to see how the copper is supposed to turn out. So with brass, good thing I didn't grab that one because this one's still warm, so that one's really hot. With brass, you're supposed to mix borax with it. You can see the copper coming out of the brass down here, but you're supposed to mix borax with it. I don't know if you're supposed to mix borax with copper. So I guess there's that, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Pop that in there. I'm gonna have to wait. Probably should have put one of the bigger ones in there first. We can hang on to the bad. Oh, check it. Sprite cherry lime. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, the camera. Es muy delicioso. Get in there. Come on. Yeah. Now this is the big mama. Probably could have broken this in half, but it's alright. Oh, baby, that just melted right in there. Alright, let's keep that going. Turn her up a little bit. She's pretty much full tilt right now. Let's get this out of the way. This one, we're gonna have to pre-warm that in a few. I don't really want to waste with this. I got my glow vest this time. So when I went and grabbed the copper, the problem is, these things like to just spontaneously combust when they're near the heat. I learned that last time. So hopefully they don't do that. But at least the heat, the heat won't be heating my hands, you know what I'm saying? So let's let this burn, and I'll come back when we're ready to pour. It's time to pour. Screw it. Put the glow vest on. Okay. Figure it out. There's not a lot of copper in there. That's okay. You can see it's pretty low level. Ooh. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice thin little bar. That's fine. I got a copper bar. You know what I'm saying? This is starting to expand. I don't really like that part. Guess I can keep that on for now. Can we touch this with these gloves? Yeah. Look at that. What am I doing? Keep the gloves on. Why are you trying to take your gloves off? Wow. It's a copper bar. Oh, I made a copper bar. It's a copper par bar. Ho, ho, ho. Welcome to Par Town.